Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 46 of building the Batmobile from 1966. This is another quick build issue, but we'll get on to that as soon as we've gone through this. We're in season 2, episode 46 total of Batman. The Clock King gets crowned here. It's a continuation from last time when I still don't know anything about the Clock King. So there we go. One where Batman serves time on the Clock King. I'm going to have to research him and find out more about him, but there we go. So Batman and Robin, the Boy Wonder, from Great Batman Comics. Is this introducing the origin of Robin? There we go, yeah. The first time it was introduced in 1940. Cool. Batman needed a friend, so there you go. Good stuff. Batman 80. Colours are coming in. Some stuff going on there. Holiday special as well. Cool. All good things. The Legend of the Batman. The Batman. Not just Batman. Batman is name and also title. Cool. All good stuff there. Looking at the Titans. So yes, this time we get our tyre, our final tyre, and we put it together. Not really much to be put together. And that's it. Again, as I say, not much of a build. So let's clear it out of the way and let's put it together anyway. So we've got our tyre. Not much to tell you about that. It's Soup R belt as written on there. Much the same from each side. It doesn't look like there's a hero side or any side that's any better than the other. So we'll just put that on one side and be done with it. And that is in fact really being done with it. Until we get the other side, I believe, next time, and we attach it all together. That's all we can do for now, so I'll put that aside, clear the bench for the next part, and I'll see you for that very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.